What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited for this restock because we are giving away some huge things, so let's just get into all those details. So first of all, like always, if you buy one slime, you get one slime at 30% off, and additional if you get like 4 slimes or 6 slimes. Also, the first order and the largest order is going to receive a free 32-ounce slime, and 4 random orders are going to get a free 6-ounce slimes. But that's not all. One random order in this restock is going to receive a $50 Amazon gift card for free. This is literally insane because the holiday seasons are up, so you can literally buy a gift on me. So entering the $50 Amazon gift card giveaway is super easy. All you have to do is place an order during this restock period, which for us starts today, Friday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time and ends on Sunday at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now you have until then to place as many orders as you like. You can definitely place multiple orders if you want to increase your chances at winning, since we are going to be picking the winner by order number basically. So what we're going to do is after 2 p.m. Central Standard Time on Sunday, we're going to randomly select an order number, and that order number that's picked is going to be the winner. Oh my gosh, that was a lot to remember. I am out of breath already, but anyways, I am super excited for this restock, and I hope that you all are too, so let's get into the slime. Let's go ahead and kick off the restock with one of my favorite textures at the moment. This is a jelly slime called Melted Sherbert, and of course it is a new slime to the shop. It is a two-toned slime, so one half is yellow, the other half is green. They're actually scented differently as well. So the yellow side is scented like juicy lemon, and then the green side is scented like rainbow sherbet. So together it smells like a lemony sherbet kind of scent. It smells really, really good. It's also topped off with a bunch of rainbow colored beads, rainbow sherbet beads, and they're just super cute. They're almost like little sprinkles. Now, you all love the pumpkin spice latte kit, so I had to hit y'all with another Starbucks inspired kit. This one is Peppermint Mocha, obviously inspired by the Peppermint Mocha drink. So this one comes with an 8 ounce of Peppermint Mocha Slay Slime base. So it's basically a clay slime. You know, what else can I say about that? It's obviously scented like Peppermint Mocha. Then it also comes with a Mocha Drizzle, which is jelly slime. And it will also come with a whipped cream topping, which is actually another clay slime. This one's more clay heavy and it has red glitters on top. And it'll also come with a little pack of sprinkles. It has like peppermint patties in there, white and brown sprinkles as well. And I just think it looks really cute. You could really decorate this however you want it to make it look like a Starbucks drink, and it's just so adorable. Of course, you know, we had to hit you with our best sellers. So we have Chanel number 2 on the left and Baja Blast on the right. So Chanel number 2 is actually a Bubblicious bubblegum scented slime. It's thick and super glossy, as you can see in this clip here. This one is perfect for beginners. If you are new at slime and you are just like wanting to test it out, I highly recommend you grab this one because this one doesn't really melt and it's not sticky. It's perfect. It's great like if you want to play with it with one hand, things like that. You don't really have to be an expert to play with this slime. Baja Blast, the OG hybrid textured slime. This one here is what I like to call a hybrid texture. So it's a mix of two different textures. We got a cloud dough in here as well as an icy. It's super cool because it gives off little baby drizzles. And the best part of it, obviously, is the scent. It's scented exactly like a Baja Blast soda. And it's just so amazing and it makes my mouth water every time. Another new slime this week, this one is Fireball Cheesecake. So it actually starts off with a cheesecake scented cloud cream at the base of it. And then on top, we have a red hot cinnamon candy jelly slime with foam beads. There are large red and small red foam beads as well to represent different size of these cinnamon candies. It's just super fun to mix and perfect and festive for the holiday season as well. It really makes me want a Fireball Cheesecake. Grinch Juice is a super cute clear slime with a little bit of foam beads in it and some glitters. This one is obviously inspired by the Grinch and I love it so much. It actually has a little bit of a pearlescent shift that you really can't see. I didn't do a very good job of it filming it. However, you'll be able to see it on my Instagram story if you want to go ahead and check there. Under flash, it looks amazing. It's just under my lighting, it didn't really look that great. But I assure you, it does have a pearlescent shift. It's really pretty. It's unscented for clarity, of course. And then it does have those large green foam beads in it, and of course some heart glitters because the Grinch does have a heart, you know. Holiday Pie is a really cool DIY clay slime. It comes with an 8 ounce of this slime here, which is the Holiday Pie filling. It's scented like Tahitian vanilla and like buttercream cupcakes. It is a thick and glossy slime. It's amazing. I love it so much. The scent is just really mouthwatering on this. It is inspired by the McDonald's pie. So if you've had that before and you like that, you're probably going to like this. Just saying. It'll also come with this 8 ounce container with the clay around it. You can decorate this however you'd like. I just chose to throw mine right in, add a couple more sprinkles in. There are already sprinkles in this slime, but of course you can add more if you want. The end texture of this is super nice and fluffy, yet clay heavy at the same time. It's just really nice and smooth. Unicorn Bubble Cloud is a new cloud slime to the shop, and it is literally no caps, just saying it is our best cloud slime that we've ever stocked before. It's so fluffy, and it really doesn't need any warming up to get super fluffy. I just love this one. It's so amazing. It's scented like strawberry bubblegum, and the reason why it was scented like this is because we actually failed at making Chanel, and we were like, hey, let's turn it into a cloud slime. So if you've ever wanted like a cloud version of Chanel, this is probably going to be the closest that you'll get to that. Look at that drizzle. I mean, it's amazing. The strawberry scent in this is so good too. It smells just like strawberry bubblicious bubblegum, and I'm obsessed. Last but certainly not least, we have Candy Cane Crunch. This one is a new hybrid slime to the shop. It's actually a hybrid between a white glue foam and a bingsu bead slime. So it does have bingsu beads in it and foam beads. It's super crunchy, scented just like candy canes, and I love it. It'll come with a candy cane charm as well. This one is just totally festive, and I dig it. So not only are we doing a bunch of giveaways this restock, but also we have the 12 days of Christmas coming up. So if you don't win anything at this restock, don't fret, because any order that you place in November will enter you into the drawing of our 12 days of Christmas giveaway. So we're giving away prizes from December the 1st all the way to December the 12th. One winner is going to be chosen every single day. We're so excited. Literally the only way to enter is to place an order anytime in November. So that's great. Each day the winner is going to be announced on the Unicorn Slime Shop Instagram, and I'm going to show y'all how I pick the winners every single day on my vlog channel for Vlogmas. I am going to announce half of the prizes right now, and then half of the prizes on the Black Friday restock video. So without further ado, here are the first 6 days of prizes. So on the first day, we're going to give away an Amazon Echo Dot, which is really cool. On the second day, we're going to give away a $30 gift card to my slime shop. On the third day, we're going to give away an Elmer Celebration Slime Kit. And on the fourth day, we're going to be giving away a $30 Target gift card. The fifth day, you are going to get the new Monopoly voice banking game. And then on the sixth day, you are going to win a custom 32-ounce slime from my slime shop. You all are always asking for more giveaways, so I am so excited to be bringing them to you this holiday season. I am super stoked about it. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!